Welcome to Graberworks. Today I will be printing a 2-liter bottle adapter for a Noga mini cooling system designed by James at Clough 42 that he has on Thingiverse. James has some really good files and you should check out his Thingiverse page, his website at clough42.com and his YouTube channel. Thank you, James, for your contributions. The first part I printed was the left side threaded clamp. The adapter consists of 4 parts: a cap, a 2-piece threaded clamp, and a wing nut. The file was sliced in Cura and it was estimated to take 15 minutes and use 1 gram of PLA material. Here is the view of the left-sided threaded clamp in the Cura print bed. Remember, you can pause the video to view the details of each part in the print. Here's the view of the specifications I used in the print. The part printed very well, and it fit the right side of the threaded clamp with no issues. The next part I printed was the right side of the threaded clamp. The file was sliced in Cura and it was estimated to take 15 minutes and use 1 gram of PLA material. I have shown the Cura Views program, print plate, and specifications. The third part I printed was the wing nut. The programming estimated 24 minutes to run and use of 2 grams of PLA material. I have shown the Cura Views program, print plate, and specifications. The part printed really well and was interesting to watch it print without any supports for the wings on the nut. The last part I printed was the cap, and Cura estimated the runtime at 1 hour and 12 minutes and the use of 10 grams of PLA material. Again, I added the Cura views of the specifications I used in this print. The cap printed really well and fit the other parts as well as the plastic Coke bottle. I did print 2 sets of the parts, one for the Grizzly GO 759mm and the GO 768 lathe. I may end up using the one for the lathe on my Evolution 380 saw, which I would think would help keep the blades sharper for a longer period of time. I'm in the middle of building a new home and don't have access to those machines our shop, so the follow-up videos may take a few months before I can record the finished coolant mister project and its use on each machine. Thank you for watching, and please comment, like, and subscribe.